Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in Unity called Sky Racing Xperience. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to have a go. It's on itch.io. Well, looks intriguing. Doesn't look half bad, but where's the racing? Let's just get into it. Let's just see. Before starting to play, we recommend you to get familiar with the controls by running the tutorial. Do you want to start the tutorial? Nah, I think I'm going to be pretty okay with it. Beginner, amateur, pro, miss. Oh wow, it's got Windridge City in. Okay, that's interesting. For you guys who know Unity, you may have seen Windridge City. Well, okay. Well, I'm just gonna try it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna be the cops. All right, we'll be. Oh gosh, wow. I've seen this asset. Oh, I think. Right. Yeah, that's my bad. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Come on then. I think I'm doing all right. This is definitely very beginner. Ooh, that way. It's not too bad. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it. It's pretty easy. I'm using WASD at the moment, so it's easy enough to do. I'm guessing that's the computer that's just finished. Oh, new best time. All right, 46. I've got to do it in less than 4. Okay, well I'm going to try that again. I'm going to try again because I've got the hang of it now. So I think it's all about all the right timing. So yeah, that's good. So far so good. Yep. So I'm beating my best by 9.95. Beaten it by 10. That's good for me. Good for me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. I want to beat my best time. Come on. And yes. 37.136. That mean I've got the best time? Well, it says 37.276. I've got 37.136. Okay. Okay, well, let's try another one. That wasn't too bad. Should we go with this one? Parking A1. Let's try this one. Let's go with this one. Let's go to coppers again. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Now what? Oh, I've killed it. I've killed it. What have I done? I've killed it. I've killed it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That. All right. Okay, let's try that again. Right, so. Oh, through. Okay, so I've learnt that the shift is go down. So that was my fault. And space is go up. Looks like it's used to it a little bit. It's a little bit fiddly, but no. It is incredibly glitchy. It is incredibly glitchy, but that's okay. No. 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 Okay. I think this is probably going to be better with a controller rather than a keyboard. I just get that feeling right now. It seems okay. It looks okay. Just glitches a little bit, but with Jimmy's awful controlling. Dear me. Okay, and oh my goodness. Jimmy obviously can't control drones, can he? There we go. Okay. I want to try a different track. What else we got? Amateur. I want to try Windridge. I like this asset, so I'm going to try it and see what it looks like. If it loads. If it loads. Come on, hurry up. Oh, okay. Start. Let's go. Oh, nice. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, all right. Okay, yeah. Yep, this is good. I'm okay here. I'm okay. Okay, Jimmy. Down. Ah, no, I've lost it. Oh, I was doing so well. Well, I say I was doing so well. I wasn't really. I'm just not very good at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, down. Yep, through. Okay, up. No. Ah. Oh my gosh. Well guys, at this point I would recommend playing this game to at least see if you can beat me, and in all fairness it's not going to be that difficult to beat my times. Oh, anyone would think I don't play video games. Oh, it doesn't go up quick enough. Damn it. Alright, let's aim for this one, and can you believe I got it? Huh. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Down, through. And oh, I can't believe I'm getting this many now. This is pretty decent. And yes. Okay. That's actually kind of fun. So, I'll leave it there. I may have another quick go, actually. I'm happy I got my gold there. I want to try some of the others, actually. That's going to be quite fun. So, that was Sky Race Xperience. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't. But let me know why you didn't like it. Just let's pretend that it didn't freeze and crash and do stuff. So, we'll pretend that didn't happen. Yeah, but let me know if you don't like it. And that was Sky Racing Xperience. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.